Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to install Disney Plus app from Microsoft Store, if you don't see install or get button, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So normally whenever you try to install any application from Microsoft Store, you see install or get button. Now if you don't see install or get button for Disney Plus, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So for this, go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Copy this link and then open Microsoft Edge on your computer. So you have to open Microsoft Edge on your computer. And once Microsoft Edge is open, now go to this website. Now, once the website is open, now on the top right on Microsoft Edge, here you can see three dots. Click on these three dots and then go to apps, select apps, and then you will see an option which says install this site as an app. So click on it and then click on install. You can name it as Hotstar. In India it's Hotstar, but you can just type in Disney Plus. You can type in Disney Plus and then click on install. Now once installed, if you want to pin it to taskbar, you can let the check be here and pin to start. You can, if you want, you can keep the check and then click on allow, and this will be added to your taskbar. So next time whenever you want to open the app, you can simply click on Disney Plus icon, and this is how you can install Disney Plus from Microsoft Store and you can enjoy the app. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.